Welcome once again to the Daily Message. I'm continuing my reflections on the series that was just completed about first century Israel during the time of Jesus. And I want to take just a few moments to talk about the difference between the vision of peace as it was understood by the Romans versus Jesus' vision of peace. So for the Romans, the vision of Pax Romana, of the peace of Rome, was based on military victory. So the way that the Romans acquired the lands, the way they built their empire, was through force of arms. And the way they maintained peace within the empire was through the use of force and violence. So their subjects were often compelled to worship the emperor as a god, to worship the Roman gods. And so that was the Pax Romana. It was peace built upon victory and maintained through the use of force and violence. Jesus brought to the world a very different view of peace, a very different image of peace. Jesus preached a message of peace, to be sure, but it was peace based on his belief about God, his understanding of God, that God is a God of justice, that God wants each and every human being to have the chance to flourish and to have a good life. And this is the message of peace that Jesus brought to the world. It was a message of peace through justice. This was the Pax Christi. This was the peace of Christ. It was not peace based on victory or force or violence. It was peace based on justice, the justice of God, which says that every human being has a right to the opportunity to live their life to the full and to have an opportunity to flourish. Thank you once again for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day today.